We recently did a video where we tried to visit every mall in Kuala Lumpur, but because we were racing against the clock, we didn't have the chance to explore Kuala Lumpur's newest mall.
Many of you guys told us to visit this place, so we had to come back to the one and only, the Exchange TRX, baby! By the way, it's not only Black Friday, but it's also the 1-year anniversary, so we are hoping to get a lot of free things.
First things to point out from the outside is that it's a huge space with so much greenery, but the most exciting part is that they started putting up the Christmas decorations, and it looks like there's going to be a Christmas market, so we might have to come back here for that.
Looking at the shops they have outside, I'm not sure there's going to be much shopping because we don't have the budget to spend on Prada nor Balenciaga.
I wish.
Oh my God, this place looks like we stepped into the future. It is luxury, the Exchange TRX up here.
Yeah. When we came here, we didn't come through this part at all. We just walked through really quickly and we didn't see how gorgeous and expensive it looks. Talking about stepping into the future, look at this Prada robot. It's so cute. I want one.
I think first impressions of the inside is that each shop complements each other so well that they have such a unique design that it makes it interesting to just look at the outside of each store.
Look at Louis Vuitton.
It's like a gift. I don't know, it's quite crazy. It's very difficult to explain.
Yeah, you have to like be here to visualize this in person. Everything complements not just that, but the lights as well. It's almost like the shops have a competition between each other, like who can look the most innovative and the most luxurious. I'd give it to Bulgari. It looks like the Bank of Spain.
I wouldn't say that's a compliment.
I don't know what the Bank of Spain looks like. I love Christmas. Whilst looking at the TRX website, we found something that completely blew our minds. This mall actually has a membership program. I don't know, like it's so weird. We've never heard of something like that before.
It's not anything sponsored, but the reason why we are talking about it is because how interesting it is. Basically, depending on how much you spend, you can get into different tiers and then you may have access to exclusive events,
complimentary gifts and like exclusive retailer discounts.
So I think it's a good incentive for people to spend, but
if you are a tourist, there is also something for us. We discovered that there is a tourist rewards card.
And what are we going to do right now?
We're gonna try and get one. But to get the card, we need to find the concierge first. And you've seen how huge this mall is. It's probably gonna take us like an hour.
I mean, I imagine it's in the ground floor as it usually is, but we'll find out.
Hello, hi. We heard that you have like a tourist rewards card. Is that still a thing?
Yes.
Oh, just a passport. Oh, okay.
It actually says here. Perfect.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Once you go to the concierge to get your tourist rewards card, it's quite fancy. You get this envelope, and when you open it, you don't only have your card, but you also have a lot of coupons, vouchers for many shops.
Important things to point out is that not all the shops take part in this, so there's about 75 shops.
And it's good that we are sharing this with you because so far mostly Chinese and Indonesian tourists claim this, but now if you are watching our video, you will also be claiming this.
And this is not that type of membership that you've got forever. It only lasts 7 days, but you can just come back and renew it. It's fine. But this is obviously only for tourists, so we don't really know what happens with locals. Do you guys get any discounts? Let us know in the comments. So many discounts, but you know what these things don't give you? 5% discount with the best eSIM company out there, iRoamly. Use the link in the description to stay connected everywhere you go.
Did you know that this shopping centre has the first Apple store in Malaysia? It is beautiful.
They really went all out with the design on this one. And it looks like there's like an outdoor area, so we have to go and check that out. It's where Apple workers normally wear blue, no?
To be fair, I thought there were going to be views of the whole city,
Yeah,
not,
me too.
not a garden.
Slightly disappointed.
And this is a view from the top. It's quite cool. It's quite modern shop. Minimalistic decoration.
I know with our mall tour, you're probably thinking that this shopping mall is crazy expensive and only luxurious brands. But in this mall, you'll find 400 of the world's biggest brands. So there is something for everyone.
We've also noticed from our experience that in the lower floors, you can find all the expensive shops. Now, I'm not saying that the higher you go, the cheaper, because it's not, but I think it's more like sporty brands like Under Armour, maybe New Balance, Salomon. We are feeling a bit hungry right now, so we're going to try and find like the food court.
Hi, you know at the top of the building, is there something there?
No.
Oh, okay, so it's just like empty, this thing?
Yes, empty.
Yeah. Oh, okay, we heard there was like a garden, so there's
Like
no
a rooftop garden, is that a thing?
Oh,
Nothing?
no, okay.
Garden only the shopping mall.
Oh, so it's
okay.
only there.
Okay, thank you
so
very
this
much.
is just like,
Private access.
Yes.
yes,
Okay.
okay.
Thank you.
Perfect, thank you so much. Another new innovative thing, complimentary ice cream with any purchase in store. And it's also Black Friday, like I'm so tempted to buy something.
Just for the ice cream.
Yes, 2 for 1, come on. Just when we thought we were done, there's still the outdoor area.
I think this is where we came the first time that we came to the Exchange TRX.
I think so too. I think mainly the restaurants are in this outdoor area. Maybe we find something to eat with our discounts.
Click ground. This doesn't look like the food court. What the hell? It's a car park.
We're going back up.
These are the issues of navigating on a massive mall without many instructions. Let's see how long it takes us to find the freaking food court because I'm starving. So much echo here.
It's just an
Echo!
One eternity later.
We had to ask someone and they told us to go just the floor below the ground level. And we see food, so it seems like it is here.
The food court! Okay, we gave up in finding that restaurant because it's nowhere to be found, but we came across the most exciting thing. Oy, a bit dirty. It's like a self-service.
Of like pastry stuff.
Pastries, and everything looks insane.
What we'll do is get a few of them and then show you guys what we got.
We got so many things. It was just such an exciting moment.
And it was so affordable as well, but we've got savory and sweet things, so let's test it and see if it's actually that nice.
I'm gonna start with this one.
As humongous, it reminds me of my leg. I'm very excited for this one. It's meant to be like a chicken curry inside a bun. Look how fluffy it is. Oh. Mm.
It turns out there is an actual food court called Food Exchange, but it's a little bit too late for us. We already ate. And if you're not sure what deals are on, just come to one of these screens and see what's happening. There's a free tote bag in this place.
Drone views of the TRX.
Drone footage.
I don't know why, but I thought being Black Friday and the 1 year anniversary, there was going to be a bit more discount, a bit more of a celebration vibe, but it just seems like a normal day.
I think the main focus is Christmas and the movie Wicked, apparently. Coming to this mall doesn't mean you have to just buy clothes or buy food. There's so much more to do here, including a massive theater, which right now is premiering the Wicked movie. Have you watched this movie? Then let us know in the comments because Max just doesn't want to watch it, and I really do. 11:20, that's so late. I don't know. That's so expensive. Cancel.
The cinema rooms do look very nice.
I have never seen a cinema with beds. This is crazy.
That's more to take a nap than to watch a movie.
And I think that's what I clicked by accident. It was like, I clicked one of these really expensive ones, and that's why it said like 300.
I mean, for us, it makes sense not going because when I sit in just a normal cinema, I fall asleep ASAP as soon as the movie starts. So imagine here, as soon as I lay down, whoop. If you remember towards the beginning of the video, we asked the concierge if they had a rooftop garden because initially, for some reason, we thought there was going to be a rooftop garden up in this building, which is the Exchange TRX. But no, this is a rooftop garden.
A little hidden gem for you guys.
What? I wish I was a kid.
Oh, the floor is so soft. This mall has been one of the most well-designed places that we've ever seen in our lives. I say my favorite part from this place has been the outdoor area. There's so much to do out here. The only negative thing is the mosquitoes. There's so many, so just put some insect repellent.
As soon as we came out, we had like 10 mosquito bites.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, but don't forget to
Let us know in the comments your favorite part of the Exchange TRX, and if you've tried the memberships, let us know as well. Woo!